Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to select who can blaze on your Tumblr account. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How can control who can blaze on your post on your Tumblr application for your Tumblr account? So if you're just posting a new thing like something like whatever or what anything like WhatsApp update like that, you just can click on the three dot option on the top. Now here you can find option called who can blaze. So it's here, this option. So here it's actually is actually on anyone. Click on this. Now you have a two option. So who can blaze? Decide if this post can be sponsored by others or you will be stopped it at any time. So you have two options, anyone or just me. So you can just click on the just me option and just post it. And also this can be edited for previous post too. For an example, click on this edit symbol, click on this three dot, and here you can find the same settings. This is how you just choose the control of your who can blaze on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.